Welcome back, everybody. It's your girl, Saving Sense with Scent. And today we're at Walgreens. To all my sweet tooth lovers, Walgreens has a variety of their candies on sale this week. They have the Nerds, the Sour Patch, the Welch's. They're all on sale, guys. Your large and your small bags. Don't forget to check the app to see if there are any coupons to apply, as well as if you have registered rewards, you can use those to lower your out of pocket. If you have money sitting in your account, you can use that as well to lower your out of pocket. And as always, you're going to save those cents.